Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily animate your drawings or sketches for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as Storyboarder. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see here download option. Just click on it. Now you need to put your email address and they will send you a download link on your respective email address. So since I have already downloaded this software, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download it from the link that you receive on your email addresses. Now just double click software installer which you have downloaded recently. Now click on I agree. So now just select this private network and just untick this public network and click on allow access. Now you can see the software has been installed successfully and it has automatically started. So now you can see some instructions here and below you can see some options getting started. You can read it if you want to read it, or you can open the already created storyboarder files and create new storyboard. So you can click on this since we are using it for the first time. So now you can select depending upon your needs based on the script or blank storyboard. So we are gonna select the blank storyboard. So create a blank. So now you can select your screen resolution size. So I will select the 16:9, which is the standard video resolution. So you can select depending upon your needs. If you're creating animations for the YouTube shorts or Instagram reels, then you can select this 9:16. So right now I'm gonna use this 16:9. You can select different options depending upon your needs. Now give a file name, click on create. So now you can see the user interface of this software, right? So let me give you a quick overview. On the above you will see tons of different pencil brushes. Depending upon needs, you can select different brushes or pencils, and this one is an eraser, and you can see the color platelets. Next to it is a delete option, and this is a move option. So you can get a tons of options. This is a lasso tool, redo, undo, and here grid guide and different kinds of grids. And here is the layer, and here is some toggle displays. Here is a caption, and even you can integrate or open in the Photoshop if you want to edit more. And below some shots preview, and on the right panel you can see durations, which I'm gonna show you after a few seconds. There is more options below like action, notes, whatever notes you want to add, tons of options, so you can check out by yourself. So at the bottom you can see there is boards. As you can see here, boards and timeline, whichever you like you can select. So I will select a boards. So what I will do, say let me start drawing here. Let me select this sketch. So let me just start from here just to give you an example. So let me draw a ball. Now click on this plus and let me draw it here. Click on plus again. Keep drawing. So I'm done with my drawings. So you can keep continuing until your storyboard or drawing is completed. So now if you want to change the duration, then you can just select this thumbnail and you can just drag it to decrease the duration. So I'll just decrease it. So once you're done with all your editing, so now let us check a preview. Just click on this play button. So you can see, so once you're done you can click on this file, and now you will see here different options like export animated GIF. You can export this as a Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere files, export scene as images, export video, export to web, export project as zip, and different more options, export to PDF also, and you can print it and import workspace, import images, tons of options here. So I'm gonna select the first option, export animated GIF. So finally you can see here on the right bottom it has exported successfully. Now just minimize it and open the respective folder which we have created earlier, and now you can see here exports. Just open this folder. I will see here the exported file. So let us try to play this. So finally you can see we have animated our drawings or sketches. So by using this application known as Storyboarder, you can easily animate your drawings or sketches for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.